ॐ सहना भवतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यं करवावहै तेजस्विनावतीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै। ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः। Namaste. Great. So we are going to have a kind of a important, oft repeated sentence saying that the goal. What's your goal in life? Okay. So what is this goal? What is the vision? What is the core values? So the most important thing to understand, okay, what exactly I want. See, words are only words. The goal is a word. Now, what is your understanding? What is your perception of the goal? See, I will not explain complete slide. It is enough for you to understand what is the core of a person. The core of a person is what I think about myself. This is what we call the self-esteem. So this is the basic character. This is called a self-esteem. Then attitude and the behavior or the expression. Now you have to understand this particular one. Now my self-esteem, core of the entity is more important than all the other things, what others think about me. Okay, this is what we have to understand what you call the goal setting. See now, when you talk about the core vision, which leads to the goal. Now, for example, from the individual to the goal, see there is a distance. Now, between 2 points, what is the shortest distance? Everybody knows it is a straight line. See, between the core and the goal is a straight line. It is very simple. Anybody knows about this particular one. But unfortunately, it doesn't happen in life. So between a person to the goal, so it is not a straightforward. It is not a straight line. So it is an ideal, but doesn't happen. It will not happen. It is impossible. So you have to understand this particular concept. Now, as an individual, I got a goal in life. Whatever has to be achieved. But it's not straightforward. It is not a straight line. It is not a connecting with the 2 points with a straight line. No. So you have to understand, life is very, very simple. You look at the particular, ECG for a healthy person. So it will be a lot of, the variation. For a healthy person, the ECG, the rhythm is like this. It is not a straight line. Suppose if it is a straight line, then you will not survive. So that is as simple as that. That means there is not a shortcut. There is a way. There is a path. This is what we have to understand this particular one. Now, for example, an ignorant person, a man who doesn't have a kind of the path or the way or a kind of a strategy to achieve the goal. See, that means he will be keep on rounding without knowing where he is running. It is something like a person who is keep on running. Suppose I ask you, hey, where are you running? Then he said, look, that's what I don't know. It is as good as that. That means to know the goal is very, very important initially. You must take some kind of a time to think what exactly I want. See, somebody may need a different goal, but not me. So this is where we have to understand the ignorant person and the knowledgeable person or a wise person. That means the core of a person must identify the real goal, what that person wants. So, ignorant person, he keep on running, he will never achieve in this lifetime. Why? But he doesn't understand the way, the path. Then what he has to do actually on this, you have to find out the path. That means you have to use the compass and also the clock. When I say the clock, it takes the time to reach the goal. Right? And also the most important thing is you must also use the compass to which direction. Just for example, you take the person, you know the goal. Suppose we are able to have the direction by using the compass. That means he will be in the right direction. But he will have a lot of the ups and downs. It is not a straight line. Right? So you have to understand, yes, the most important thing, you must have a goal, but also try to understand the direction. The direction and the duration are equally important. This is what we have to understand life also. So what are you doing now? This ignorant person keep on going, he will never achieve. Whereas the other person, the intelligent person, what happens? He's a practical person. He has got a goal, right? He wants to achieve. And look at this particular one, see now there is a ups and downs. There will be a failure, there will be a success, there will be a normal thing, there will be a lot of ups and downs. So this is where we have to understand the nitty-gritty of the life. That means, okay, nothing is not very simple. But you have to understand, yes, I have a goal. It is not a straight line. There will be a lot of, the ups and downs. So I am willing to accept. Then I may fall. Then I have to get up and then proceed. So there are a lot of other areas. Say, let me also ask you one particular question. So look at the ship. The ship, the safest place for ship is the port. But it's not meant to be in the port. It has to go through the seas and also see the storm and so many other weathers. So this is where we have to understand the human goal is to achieve certain things. That means I keep on telling the same thing. See, there are so many goals or aspiration for different people. But if you keep on asking the questions, why you are want to have this particular one, the bottom line is only happiness. So everybody wants only the happiness. That means you have to accept the fact that there will be a ups and downs in life. So I must use the compass. How to compass? What is the direction that I want to have it? This is the most important thing in life also. So this is very practical. Now let me make you to understand only one thing. That means there are people who started with a humble beginning. They achieved the greatest heights in life. Now, if you ask that person, okay, did you have this particular goal in life? The answer is no. See, whatever I keep on telling also, see, a man who has become a prime minister or a president or whatever it is, president, that means, see, initially, he never thought he will be able to achieve. But he always feels that I must be a better person. See, that means today, whatever I am doing, so I must work for a better person for tomorrow. So that means you have to keep on assessing yourself. Now, this is my goal. This is what I want to achieve. Then I must enjoy. You should not be a burden. You must keep on telling, yes, this is my goal, come what may. So this is my commitment. This is what I promise myself. So once you are able to have this kind of the determination that I want to do it, that means definitely we will be able to achieve. The most important things, particular one, the journey must be very enjoyable. The destination is great. Destination is great, but don't concentrate too much only on the destination. You enjoy the journey. Just give an example. Suppose you are going to the Himalayas. Now that is your destination. Now, an intelligent person, he will enjoy the journey when you are going through the Himalayas. So that is more important. The destination is great, but the journey also is very wonderful. Now you have to understand the difference between the journey and the destination. If you are able to enjoy the journey and you will be able to get the destination, there is a lot of thrill. So for you to understand, okay, now I am a marketing man. Now I am an accounts man. I am an entrepreneur. I want to be a MLA. I want to be a MP. All the other things are great. You start with the one thing. See, success is what you do with what you got. Success is what you do with you got. Now, whatever I have it, so let me maximize. See, that is the real mantra of this particular achieving the goal. So, I am sure that you will be able to reflect and have a goal and make sure that it's not going to be very easy. I also, it's not going to be impossible, but it's going to be difficult. Depends upon your commitment and shraddha. And whatever you have it, the difference between the animal and the human being, the animals don't have a goal. They don't have a goal. They are doing with the instinct, but not the intelligence. So we have got the intelligence. Now we have got a goal. We want to do certain things. So this is what you have to understand. Yes, now I want to enjoy the journey. Now I also want to reach the destination. Once you have it, that means your journey, your life will be fantastic. And not only that you will be happy, you will make the others also to be happy. Will you do it? I think you should do it. As a essayite, all of you must have a goal. You must have a kind of a immediate goal, medium term goal, and the ultimate goal. See, we don't know what is the ultimate goal. It depends upon the age and stage of one's life. See, when you're a kid, you are fascinated with the balloon. Now you are around 60, but you have grown out of the balloon. So that particular the desire you have outgrown. So similarly, you have to understand, yes, this is my immediate goal. This is my medium term goal. This is my ultimate goal. But you will keep on changing. But you must have the capacity to make a course correction whenever there is a failure. Get up if there is a fall. And then tell me, look, I have decided to reach. That's it. I am sure all of you will be able to do it. Enjoy the journey. Automatically, your enjoyment of the destination will be fantastic. Take care. All the best. ॐ सर्वे भवन्तु सुखिनः सर्वे सन्तु निरामयाः सर्वे भद्राणि पश्यन्तु मा कश्चित् दुःखभाग् भवेत् ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः